everyone, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Andrew, and today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Today they will be soft and chewy. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get baking. Here we have 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar plus 2/3 of a cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk plus 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 3 cups of flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt, and 12 ounces of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Melt the butter in a saucepan until completely melted, then cool to room temperature. Then add both sugars to the butter and mix well. Then whisk in the eggs until they're fully combined. Then add the milk and vanilla and mix it in well. Then sift the dry ingredients. This is important because you want to get all the lumps out of the flour so you don't have a lumpy dough. Carefully fold in the flour until you reach a smooth, lump-free batter. Then lastly, fold in the chocolate chips. Cover your dough with aluminum foil and then chill in the fridge for 1 hour so the dough will set and firm up. Once the dough has chilled, scoop onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oven and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before eating. The cookies came out really well, and I'm pleased to say that they were delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Andrew. For the measurements and instructions for this recipe, make sure to check the description box below or check my Instagram or Twitter page. And also don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking!